Hey there, you're having a blast at a concert, surrounded by friends. The energy is electric, the music is pumping, and you're feeling on top of the world. But then, you realize you forgot your wallet. Panic sets in. You need to pay for drinks, merch, or even a ride home. Luckily, you remember you have Venmo. But here's the question, how much can you actually transfer from Venmo daily? Building context. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment app that makes it easy to send and receive money. Whether you're splitting a restaurant bill with friends, paying for a concert ticket, or simply repaying a loan, Venmo is a convenient option. However, there are limits in place to prevent fraud and maintain the security of the platform. Daily transfer limits. The daily transfer limit on Venmo depends on a few factors, including your account age, verification status, and recent activity. Generally, newer accounts or those without full verification may have lower daily limits. However, as you use Venmo more frequently and provide additional information to verify your identity, your limits may increase. Factors affecting daily transfer limits. Here are some factors that can influence your daily transfer limit. Account age. Older accounts tend to have higher limits. Verification status. Fully verified accounts often have higher limits than unverified or partially verified accounts. Recent activity. Frequent and consistent use of Venmo can help increase your limit. Transaction history. A history of successful transactions can also positively impact your limit. How to increase your daily transfer limit. If you want to increase your daily transfer limit, you can take the following steps. Verify your identity. Provide the necessary documentation to fully verify your Venmo account. Use Venmo regularly. The more you use Venmo, the more likely it is that your limits will increase. Maintain a positive transaction history. Avoid suspicious or fraudulent activity to maintain a good reputation on Venmo. Contact Venmo support. If you have concerns about your daily transfer limit, you can reach out to Venmo's customer support team. Additional considerations. It's important to note that there may be other factors that can affect your daily transfer limit, such as your location or the specific currency you're using. Additionally, Venmo may occasionally impose temporary limits on your account due to suspicious activity or other reasons. Conclusion. So, how much can you transfer from Venmo daily? The answer is, it depends. Your daily transfer limit will vary based on factors like your account age, verification status, and recent activity. By understanding these factors and taking steps to increase your limit, you can make the most of Venmo and enjoy the convenience of peer-to-peer payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.